Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, yes ma'am, I grabbed two of the new Patrick Ta blushes. So that is what we're going to be talking about today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It would give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like me, comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, like I'm so excited. I'm like so excited. I just have on, you know, the usual. I got a little bit of eyeshadow on. If I remember, girl, I will leave everything linked below. A little bit of foundation, a little bit of bronzer, you know, all that good stuff, blah, blah, blah. And I didn't put highlighter on because normally I put highlighter on after. And from what I'm seeing, when you put on, like the way Patrick Ta tells us to, put the powder on first, then the cream. The cream almost gives like a highlight effect. So we're not going to do any highlighter just yet. But here are the two that I picked up. I picked up just enough, and She's the Moment. Now, you know this is not my color, but my goodness, has it looked absolutely fabulous on the videos and on his website. Beautiful. Anyway, I have two Refer brushes. They're both the 04, so we're going to go one on each side. I'm so excited. Let me just read it to you. Day or night, this dual formula compact allows you to create looks for both and everything in between. Yes, sir. P.S. I don't know if you know how much I adore Patrick Ta. You could do no wrong in my eyes. I absolutely adore him. He's so freaking cute. He's so talented. He's so creative. He's so innovative. I just adore him. Anyway, a luminous sheer cream on one side and a buttery soft powder on the other. Wear them alone or layer them for maximum impact. So delish. And then it says for directions, just in case we don't know. For a sheer look and dewy glow, dab and blend the cream formula on the cheek. For a softer airbrush finish, sweep the powder onto the apples of the cheeks with a fluffy powder brush. But for ultimate color payoff, layer the cream formula over the powder. I know. For a glossy dimensional look. That's what we're going to do. If that's what you said, Patrick, that's what we're going to do. Let's dive in. Okie dokies. I have tons of his blushes I love. So before I put my fingerprints all over it, this is what it looks like right over here. Hello. Hi. So beautiful. So anyway, let's dive into She's the Moment. Yes, you are, girl. You are the moment. Wow, it is spectacular. So this is what it looks like right over here. It's got this, you know, flappity flap. So nice. Okay, let's dive in. I'm going to take a Refer brush. I'm going for, you know what? Let's swatch first. Let's swatch. So, wow, it is so beautiful and so buttery. So this is the powder. Don't mind my hands. They're very dry. That is so beautiful. And then this is the cream. It feels like a lip balm. That's how beautiful. Wow, look at that. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, now we're going to dip in. I'm going to just tappity tap. That picks up a lot. I'm going to just put it into my hand just to tap it. And let me just grab my mirror. I just have a lip liner on. This is the e.l.f. Baddest Beige, and I just put on some lip gloss over it because I wanted to keep everything neutral. So I'm going to just grab that and tap. That is beautiful. I'm going to just grab up a little bit more because I want to go up higher into my hairline. I'm going to come close to you. That's so pretty. Look at that. Oof. I'm going to stop right there. So this is She's the Moment, just the powder. That is gorgeous. Hold up. Let me just look for myself. That is so friggin' pretty. Okay. So now I'm going to go into the cream part right over here. I'm going to pick it up. Same thing. I'm going to just dab it on my hand. And let me just go on top. I'm going to go close to you. Wow. Yeah, so you see that little highlight right over here? Okay. Wow, that is so pretty. And you know, this is not my jam. You know, like this corally color is just not my jam. But this is beautiful. I hate when I always say, I don't like coral, I don't like peach. It looks so beautiful. You took my breath away. How gorgeous is that? They're both going to be gorgeous in the summertime. But look how freaking pretty that is. Yeah. Oof, that is so, so nice. Okay, so let's go into just enough. So, so pretty. I think this is going to be my fave. You never know. Don't say that, girl. Don't say it. Look at me. I'm trying to open it without putting my fingerprints on it. Yeah. It's beautiful. Look at that. And this is the cream without the... That's so nice. So I'm going to just swatch them from right underneath. Oof, they are so buttery. So that's the powder. Okay, and that's the cream. So nice. I'm so excited. Okay, so we use this one for the coral side. And we're going to use a clean brush for the other side. I'm going to just tap. Look at that. Just P.S. I just want you to know that they're pretty powdery. If that bothers you, it's a little powdery. Okay, I'm going to just tappity tap tap just like I did before. And yeah, that is so pretty. Okay, so pretty. Wow, that is beautiful. I went a little bit too hard. Make sure you tap your brushes off. Wow, that is so pretty. If you feel like you went overboard, just grab whatever tool you used for like your foundation and concealer and just go around the edges. Look at that. That is so pretty. Now I'm going to go into the cream. Same thing. I'm just going to tap it and go over it. Yeah. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, so this is it. I know I look like a clown. I know I look like a clown, but we're just here to test the product. So this is She's the Moment. And then this side is Just Enough. Out of curiosity, did you guys pick this up? I'm going to mix the two together because I can't be, I can't be going on like this. Hold up now. Okay, I think they're both beautiful, and I have to tell you the truth. See, girl? I think I like this side a little bit better. Maybe because I put too much on this side. Let me just go in and blend a little bit more. And you know what? Let me just grab a highlighter and we'll just like legit finish off the whole face. Okay, dokes. I just grabbed the LYS. This is in Champagne. Let me just finish off. Yikes. So I'm just gonna tappity tap tap. Ooh. I hope that wasn't there the whole time. Was it? Tappity tap tap. Oof, that's pretty. That looks so, so great. Okay, so this is the final look out of curiosity. I don't know if I said that before, but did you guys pick these up? So which side do you guys like better? So again, this is She's the Moment, and this is Just Enough. I think they are both beautiful. If you guys have never tried Patrick Ta blushes, they are so, so good. I didn't pick up not too much because I have She's Blushing. They almost look the same to me. So this is what this one is. This one is She's Blushing. And I know like I've seen like I'm going to just watch it next to it. I know I've seen like other videos now compare it and it doesn't. But like I think this one is more peachy. It's right over here. And the newer one is more like pinky. But listen, close enough. I don't know. I just didn't grab it. Although, the night is still young. I may just go back and order it later on. But it is so, so beautiful. So like I said, I think this formula is so nice. For me personally and my mature skin, I like cream products. I like cream bronzers. I like cream blushes. I'm not a fan of cream highlighters, but that's a whole other ball game. So I enjoy these cream products. It was a tricky the first time. I'm not putting the cream on top of the powder. What's the whole point? You have to use the powder to set the cream. Hello. But dagnabbit, it works. It really, really works. Now, again, if you don't like cream on your face, just use the powder. Or just use it like we have always used it. Use the cream first and then set it with the powder. Or if you don't like the powder because it's too drying for you, then just use the cream. And hell, you could even use this. You can even use the powder as like eyeshadows. Why not? Why not? Be innovative with makeup. It's just makeup. We're just playing around. Who says an eyeshadow has to be an eyeshadow? Who says a bronzer has to be a bronzer? You know, just make it up. Do whatever you want. But you know what? Let's just, for the heck of it, I want to put like this peachy color in my inner corner because I didn't put any inner corner in. So let me just go grab an eyeshadow brush and let's just try it. Okie dokie. So I'm just taking a little BK Beauty brush. Look, we may look like a clown. Who knows? I'm taking the powder of the She's Enough. And let's just try it. Okay, look, it may look like I got a little bit of pink eye, but how cute is that though? Why not? How cute is that? Okay, but look, it does, I mean, it could be. You know what? Let's try the other one. Now look like I got pink eye, but that's okay. Let's try it. We're just trying. So let's try She's the Moment. Out of curiosity. Just tap that off a little bit. Well, I will say it is kind of pretty though. Right? It's pretty. Why not? You know what? I'm going to go in with that again. Look what we're doing. Okay. Okay, girl. That is really pretty. And you know what? I think I'm going to take the pink part with my finger. I'm going to just take it with my finger. And, you know, maybe we'll just put some right over here. Why the hell not? Look what we just did. Look what we just did. Okay. That is so freaking nice, isn't it? Ooh. I'm going to just go in with my brush. This has my highlighter on it. Look what the heck we just did. Okay, we just used these beautiful blushes to create a cute little eyeshadow look. That is so freaking pretty. Okay, hell, it looks so, so nice. So anyway, so that is it. This is my video on the new Patrick Ta blushes. What do you guys think? I think they are so beautiful. I think I like this side better. I think I like this side better, but I can guarantee you this beautiful She's Enough. Well, I was going to say this beautiful She's Enough is going to be so beautiful in the summertime, but I think they both will. Let me pull my hair back. I feel like I have a piece of hair. Yes, ma'am. Right in my eye. Look how freaking pretty that looks though, right? Anyway, so this is it. Short and sweet. I just picked up two. I did not pick up any of the lip glosses because I have so many lip products. I just can't do it right now. Could I? Oh yeah, that's real nice. I just did a video on decluttering my blushes. Yeah, and you have the nerve. You have the nerve. You took out 5, now you put 2 back in. What can I tell you? This is what they look like. Again, let me just show it to you one more time. Minus this one. This is the older one, but these are the new ones right over here. Anyway, so that is it. This is my video. Thank you so, so much for sharing your time with me. Leave me some comments below. Did you guys pick them up? Are you going to pick them up? Do you like them? I don't like them. Yeah, whatever. Leave everything down below. I love chit-chatting with you guys. And yeah, so that is it, guys. Again, thank you so, so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.